Smoke coming out of electrical or engine components is always a bad sign, especially if it's detected in a car. As there are a lot of components present in a car system, it is very difficult to accurately diagnose the root cause of the problem. Hence, there are specialized devices called EVAP Smoke Machines that will help you with that. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 EVAP Smoke Machine on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Autool EVAP Smoke Machine. Autool is known for various tools and analyzers which are produced and sold by the brand. In case you already own an EVAP Smoke Machine and require a component replacement, it is a great choice. Our first pick is an attachment which is one of the essential components of an EVAP Smoke Machine and must be used if you want to use the smoke machine properly. The Autool smoke pipe for automotive diagnostic leak tools is a high-quality smoke pipe that can be paired with any standard smoke detection tool or leak tool to make it usable for a variety of purposes. It is comparatively easier to clean than default pipes as they can be washed directly. The smoke pipe is very light in weight as it weighs only 0.45 pounds. Still, it features great durability. As it is light in weight, it can be easily carried around, which makes it one of the most portable options on our list. Autool has designed many different tools in the past. Hence, this pipe is designed with fine workmanship and with an ergonomic design so that it is easier to use. Number 2. Autoline Pro EVAP Smoke Machine. Autoline Pro is a very popular brand available on our list today as they design a wide variety of products. Fortunately, they also offer a decent smoke machine which we have included below. Coming in the second position, we have a premium smoke machine designed by Autoline Pro. The Autoline Pro EVAP Vacuum Automotive Smoke Machine Leak Detector is made up of high-quality, thick and solid metal construction, which gives it great durability. While Autoline Pro is providing a year warranty period for the device, they are assuring a lifetime guarantee on their ceramic smoke coil that will output a lot of smoke at once. The machine is capable of detecting various problems such as vacuum leaks, pressure leaks, intake manifold problems, and also exhaust systems. The Autoline Pro EVAP Vacuum Automotive Smoke Machine Leak Detector is carefully designed to deliver 100% safer performance for almost all vehicle types. It delivers a thicker smoke output that helps to detect even the smallest leak, which is not possible with every machine. You will find all necessary attachments and components installed with the device, along with a year of warranty for a longer lifespan. Number 3. Retrina Tuning EVAP Smoke Machine. Now that you are familiar with the popular options from the market, let's take a look at some of the lesser-known brands with decent products. Out of which, Retrina Tuning is a quality choice. The Vac Leak Hunter Automotive Smoke Machine has been a successful machine for a lot of users while detecting pipe leakages in cars and motorcycles in various locations, such as fuel pipes, intake systems, and even cooling tanks. It delivers a very thick smoke output which allows you to detect even the smallest possible leaks on the machine. There is a universal alligator clip conversion line included with the machine that allows you to directly power the device by your car's battery. By using the Vac Leak Hunter Automotive Smoke Machine, you can successfully seal as well as insulate by detecting the possible leakage points in your system. It is completely safe in operation and allows 100% accurate results for most vehicles. By simply looking at the device, you can observe highly durable construction in a compact footprint of 6.5 x 4 x 4.6 inches. You will only need some smoke oil to use the machine. Number 4. Stinger EVAP Smoke Machine. Finding a reliable option is necessary if you are buying an EVAP machine for personal use. Thus, we are including an EVAP Smoke Machine from Stinger Smoke Products. Our fourth pick is a unique choice compared to other options present on our list today as it is a complete handmade EVAP smoke machine manufactured by skilled craftsmen for error-free results. It is also designed with high-quality aluminum and with a Stinger's exclusive Instant Easy Off the lid and a smoke flow control valve. You can use the device with up to 1 psi pressure smoke output with the help of included smoke regulator. There is a 12 feet long heavy-duty fused cord along with a 6 foot long smoke hose that helps to reach the deeper parts of the engine for proper results. Stinger is including high-quality steel battery clips and a 15 amp inline fuse that will help you to determine auto leak exhaust leakage. There is a 1-year warranty period on this smoke machine. Number 5. OTC Leak Tamer EVAP Smoke Machine. Professional options are only suitable options if you are looking forward to commercial usage for all types of tools and instruments. The same goes for high-quality premium tools designed by OTC. Lastly, we are featuring the most premium EVAP smoke machine present in the market right now. The OTC 6522 Leak Tamer EVAP Smoke Diagnostic Machine is a special device that is specifically designed to serve commercial usage, where the user requires multiple tests every day. This smoke machine device can diagnose up to 80% of general smoke problems with ease. It is almost half in size compared to other options present in this class, but with a double performance rating. There is a dedicated smoke controller present in the smoke machine that allows you to manage the smoke output to match with different types of applications. Hence, it can be used for minimal smoke leaks up to 0.010 inches or less. OTC 6522 Leak Tamer EVAP Smoke Diagnostic Machine uses ultrasonic UV dye, which is a highly appraised smoke test approved by professionals. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you liked this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.